What are the potential consequences or risks of bleaching gray hair?
Hello everyone. Today we are delving into an intriguing topic, the potential consequences and risks of bleaching gray hair. Gray hair is often a natural sign of aging, but many people prefer to change its color. While bleaching can be a powerful tool for this transformation, it's important to understand the potential risks involved.
Why do people bleach gray hair?
Gray hair, as a natural part of aging, has its own unique charm. However, not everyone feels ready to embrace their silver strands. That's where hair bleaching comes in. Bleaching is a process that removes pigment from the hair, making it possible to dye it into virtually any color. People often bleach gray hair to achieve a more youthful look, or simply to have more freedom in experimenting with different hair colors.
What are the risks of bleaching gray hair?
When deciding to bleach gray hair, it's vital to understand the risks involved. Here are some of the major ones. 1. Hair damage. One of the most common consequences of hair bleaching is damage to the hair structure. The chemicals used in the bleaching process can cause hair to become dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. 2. Scalp irritation. Hair bleaching can lead to irritation of the scalp. This can include symptoms like itching, redness, and even burns if the bleach is left on for too long. 3. Unpredictable results. The results of hair bleaching can sometimes be unpredictable. Gray hair may not lift as evenly as pigmented hair, leading to a patchy or uneven color. 4. Maintenance. Bleached hair often requires intensive aftercare and maintenance, including regular deep conditioning treatments, to keep it looking healthy and vibrant.
How can I minimize these risks?
There are several ways you can mitigate these risks. 1. Professional services. Consider using professional hair services rather than DIY bleaching at home. Professionals have the experience and knowledge to minimize damage and get the results you want. 2. Condition regularly. Keep your hair moisturized and conditioned before and after the bleaching process. This can help mitigate the dryness and brittleness associated with bleaching. 3. Patch test. Always perform a patch test before applying any bleaching product to your entire scalp. This can prevent potential allergic reactions or skin irritation. 4. Follow instructions. If you decide to bleach your hair at home, make sure to follow the product's instructions to the letter. Leaving the product in for too long or mixing it improperly can lead to adverse results. While bleaching gray hair opens up a world of new color possibilities, it's important to keep these risks and precautions in mind. The health and strength of your hair should always come first. Whether you choose to embrace your grays or change them up, remember to do so with care and caution. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this information has been helpful in making your hair care decisions. Stay safe and keep shining.